How to post ads to Gumtree from outside country. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to post ads to Gumtree from outside the country. So for that, you could go ahead and open up a browser. You could also select which of these countries accordingly. Like right now, I'm using a Gumtree.com Australia. You could go with the Gumtree.com UK. That is also one way to post ad to Gumtree from outside country. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and press the tab bar icon and go to manage ads. As soon as you press on that, you'll be taken to this field where you can go ahead and click on post an ad. So when you actually click on this, you'll be able to see popular categories. So I'm going to go with this one. Now you need to go ahead and select all of these, and lastly you'll be able to select location or the reason. So there you could go ahead and make changes with your reason. So that's the way to post ads to Gumtree from outside the country. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.